My son Oliver, he loves making sandcastles, and even more than making the sandcastles, he loves tearing down and destroying the sandcastles. So I think it's a good analogy of life, because we're all building these sandcastles, we're all building up our accomplishments here, and then when we suffer is when we try to keep the sandcastle up and we don't enjoy the process of the sandcastle being destroyed. As a kid, Oliver, my boy, I mean, the night's coming, the tide's coming up, and we're like, hey man, we gotta go. And he's actually been looking forward to destroying the sandcastle. And then what happens? We go home, and it's a beautiful thing. The sandcastle is just beaten down to nothing, totally destroyed, and Oliver is happy. We're going home. So, suffering happens when we try to hold on to the sandcastle. What are the things that we're holding on to? I mean, that's all the stuff, right? Accomplishments, who I am, who I've made my life. When we let it all go, we can actually start to enjoy even the process when stuff gets destroyed, and realize that life is something more. It's fun to build the stuff, build your empire, do the stuff, get the stuff, get with the people, all those things. But when we hold on to them, sometimes it gets stressful trying to hold up that sandcastle, and the tide's coming.